Alright guys, I'm over here with Mike Campbell, and he's got this unique 19, tell me about it.
37 Chevy coupe, business coupe, with a coupe pickup option.
Nice.
These were available 37 through 42, but most popular in 37 and 38, where they made about 2,000 each year.
Wow.
The cars were delivered as a regular business coupe with a trunk lid. They truck freight the bed to the dealer, and he would bring you in and show you how to change it out.
No kidding, no
It was
kidding.
meant for temporary use, but it is authentic, built by Fisher Body, and they were patterned after the Ute that was built for Australia.
No kidding. Now tell me again what year and what make and model it
This
is.
is a 1937 Chevrolet, and this is, as far as research I've done on the internet, this is one of only 5 of these still in existence.
Wow.
And I do know where the other 4 are.
Really? Where they at?
There's one in Indianapolis, the guy that maintains the website about them, and there's 2 in Phoenix and 1 in Southern California.
No kidding. Now do you know how many they actually made back in the day?
They made about 2,000 of the options in 37, but they don't have any sales numbers.
Oh wow.
They've got sales numbers for the business coupes, but not for the bed options.
No kidding. No kidding.
So
Alright.
don't know how many of them that were actually.
We're going to take a look at the car. I'm going to have him tell us a little bit about it as I use a video to go around the vehicle. So. All right, so why don't you tell us what this thing's powered by?
Well, this is a 350 tune port out of an 88 IROC.
Oh, no kidding.
700 R4 transmission. It has all the luxuries of a new car with air conditioning, automatic overdrive, 4-wheel disc brakes, fuel injection,
Nice.
HD radio,
Now,
with the looks of an old car.
Now, do you know what they originally put in it? Because obviously,
It had a 6-cylinder, 85 horsepower.
Oh,
It was
no
the original engine with a 3-speed.
wow. So you put the automatic in it, obviously, right?
Put the automatic back.
May I open it?
Yes.
Guys, this thing is really, really cool. I'm glad somebody told me to check this thing out.
This is all original steel. It's all steel body with all original steel with the exception of the roll pan.
With the exception of what?
The roll pan on the back.
Okay, right.
It was rusted out in the tool tray, but it has all the original floorboards.
Nice. Of course, no back seat because it turns into a trunk or a truck.
With the truck bed, it comes in all the way up to the back of the seat.
Uh-huh.
So there was no room
For the back
so
seat.
The business coupe didn't have a back seat anyway. It just had a shelf back there.
Okay, so when you had the,
Hey, okay. Good deal. Yeah.
so tell me this, when you had the, when you have the trunk or the truck part of it out of it, the bed part of it out of it, what goes in place of it?
Well, a trunk lid would go in place of it
Uh-huh.
if I had the trunk lid. But that was when I bought the car. The guy told me he didn't have the trunk lid.
Uh-huh.
And when he found out how rare the beds were, he didn't really care. And that's kind of when I quit looking for a trunk lid.
Okay, all right. Now, when you bought it, did you know much about it, or is this were you specifically looking, or?
I was working in Iowa for a week, and Guy and I had been all over Iowa looking at cars, and we went in this body shop in Des Moines, and there was a big pencil sketch up on the wall, a bunch of old cars in the field, and the guy I was with said, "There's that 37 you've been talking about all week." And the lady sitting over behind the desk said, "Well, my husband's got a 37 he wants to sell." And I said, "Oh yeah, what kind of shape is it?" He said, "Oh, it's a piece of junk. It's been in our barn for 15 years."
Uh-huh.
So I waited for him to come back from lunch, went out and looked at it, and bought it, $2,000.
No kidding.
And he had the bed in it. I've got some pictures of what it looked like. It was just a hull.
Uh-huh.
And when I came home with it, my father and I went out, drove out to Iowa and picked it up. And when I came in with on the truck, my wife said, "I cannot believe you drove halfway across the country for that piece of junk. What are you going to do?" I said, "I'm going to build a street on it."
Nice.
And she said, "Oh, it'll end up in the junkyard." So,
Well, guys, this is proof that it did not end up in the junkyard. Now, what rims did you put on? I know those are
These
Chevys.
they are actually a American Racing
Okay.
Type M, and then the business I have, we do emblems, so I emulated took the center caps out and put the bow ties.
Nice. Yep. Very good. Very good. Man, this thing is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful.
To take a picture here,
Sure.
this shows the stuff from the GM website about the car.
Guys, I don't know if we'll be able to make this out with that sun as bright as it is. Now, do you have pictures of what it looked like before?
I've got one here.
Oh, wow.
Right there.
This is, of course, the before picture.
This after sandblasting,
Uh-huh.
first assembly. That's a picture shows how far the bed comes in the back.
Oh, yeah.
So you
Okay.
really, there is nowhere to put a back seat.
Right. Nice. That's the old engine.
That's this engine.
Oh, is it?
Before
Okay. Before painting it and cleaning it up, right.
powder coating. That shows it a little bit further along.
Nice.
Drove it on Hot Rod Power Tour 5 years ago, 2,700 miles in 9 days, and never took the wrenches out.
No kidding. Sandblasting, painting.
It painted everything in 2 paint booths, all the parts in one, the car in the other,
Wow.
everything sprayed, baked, clear coated, buffed.
That is awesome.
I was a body man back in the 70s, so the car's done with lead. There's a very skim coat of Bondo in a couple of places, but just about everything was all metal, tinning, or lead.
Nice.
I haven't yet. And that was my first trophy I actually got from Sand Hills from one of their shows. It was a Ladies' Choice Award.
Oh, that's cool.
You got it for his looks.
Nice.
Yeah.
Right?
But also, if you notice the tailpipes or bow ties,
Yep.
I found those at a show one time and thought, man, I just love that.
That is pretty cool.
I've never seen them like that again. I've seen some kind of knockoffs.
Nice. Well, I tell you what, it was really nice meeting you. Really enjoyed doing the video. Anything else you want to say about the car before we close it up?
No, nothing I can think of.
All right, very good. Well, awesome. Guys, we're going to do a video on the car. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. And see y'all later.